A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there lived a fisherman. Now this fisherman had a talent with music. He was extremely skilled with his flute. This man was extremely well known. So, one day he decides to use his brilliant skills to catch fish. It would be good if I could use my skills to catch fish. In this manner, I could enjoy playing my flute and also catch the fish. So, he took his flute and went to the seashore. There, he put out a net in the sea. Then he found a protruding rock to stand on. Once he became comfortable in his spot, he started playing his flute. The melodious sound of his flute filled the air, and the man enjoyed himself thoroughly. The melodious tune will attract the fishes to my net, and I'll make good money out of them. The fishes would dance into the net after hearing this tune. He thought. Unfortunately, nothing of that sort happened. When the man stopped and checked his net, he found that none of the fishes had come. This upset him greatly. In the end, he decided to throw the net in the old-fashioned way. To his surprise, he managed to catch a huge haul. After trying with the flute and waiting, I finally catch some fish. When the fisherman looked closely, he found the fishes jumping around in the net, as if they were dancing. "Oh, my dear fish," he said to them, "when I played for you, none of you jumped into the net. And now that I am not playing, you dance around?" That's when he realized that when he played the flute, the fishes had not come to the net, and the ones that had, even they had leapt out of the net. So, he realized certain things were meant to be done in a certain way. Moral: there are certain methods to do all things in the world. We should stick to those.